In this video, we will learn how to enhance our conversation by reading books. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English with Nancy Convo. So our topic is traveling by bus, conversation. Conversation A. Here S1 denotes for first person and S2 denotes for second person. So basically here the conversation is between two persons, first person and second person. So let's start. Conversation A. First person. Does this bus go into the city? Second person. Yes. Where do you want to go? First person. I want to go to Harbour Heights. Second person. This is the right bus then. Conversation B. First person. Does this bus go as far as Washington Square? Second person. No. You will have to transfer. First person. Where can I do it? Second person. You can get the Washington Square bus at the next corner. Conversation C. First person. Is this where I get off the bus? Second person. No, not here, at the next stop. First person. Can I catch a taxi right there? Second person. Yes, there's a taxi stand right by the bus stop. Conversation D. First person. Excuse me, but how do I get to this address? Second person. Get off the bus at Water Street and Main. First person. Thanks very much for your help. Second person. Don't mention it. Conversation E. First person. Is West Street the next stop? Second person. I'm sorry, but I didn't understand you. First person. Does the bus stop at West Street next? Second person. Yes, right at the next corner. If you want to learn more basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana. And also you can follow me on Instagram, link is given below. Go and check it. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe and like this video so that we come up with more boosting information.